The Corporate Finance Institute is an online learning platform that does a wide range of courses around corporate finance and other topics. Most are free, however some it sells. So far I have enrolled in the edXL crash course for financial professionals. This course is free on their website. You can get a taster of lectures on their YouTube channel, which I'll link below. The course consists of a series of lectures with quizzes, tasks, which in this case are spreadsheets, and examinations. You start by going mouseless, and throughout the course further develop your financial modelling skills using edXL. This course does a lot well. Not least, it is packed with useful information and ways to practice this newfound knowledge and information. As well as this, the course is also easy to access and taught by qualified individuals. However, their courses can be very overwhelming in terms of the information given in such a small space of time, so I would recommend doing their courses in small doses. So far, does the Corporate Finance Institute fit into my 3-letter criteria of qualified, affordable, and content, or QAC? I would say yes. The lecturers are certainly qualified, it is certainly affordable, with most courses being free and the ones that are costs being extremely reasonable. As for the content, students of this course will receive lots of high quality content that certainly deserves anybody's attention who is interested in corporate finance. So I would certainly recommend taking a look at their YouTube channel and perhaps thinking about enrolling in one of their courses if you have an interest too. Please like and subscribe and feel free to comment.